Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. If you're new to Windows 11 or just curious about what's different from Windows 10, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through what Windows 11 is in simple terms and show you a few of the biggest changes. Let's dive right in. Windows 11 is the newest version of Microsoft's operating system. That's the software your computer uses to run everything from apps to files to games. Think of it like the brain of your computer, and Windows 11 is just the newer, sleeker version of that brain. The first thing you might notice is the Start button and taskbar are now centered instead of over on the left like in Windows 10. Don't worry, they still work the same way. The Start menu is also cleaner. It shows your pinned apps at the top and recommended files below. It's easier to use, especially if you only use a few apps regularly. Everything has a softer, modern look. Windows now have rounded corners and the icons are more colorful. One of the coolest features? Snap layouts. Hover over the Maximize button and you'll see layout options to arrange windows side by side. Great for multitasking. If you've used Windows 10, you'll feel right at home. Everything is still there, just a little more polished and beginner friendly. And if you're completely new to Windows, this version is a great place to start. So to sum it up, Windows 11 is like a cleaner, more modern version of Windows 10 with some helpful new features to make your life easier. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the Start menu step by step. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tips. No tech skills required. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.